Okay. Hello YouTube. Today we're going to be doing a h11 HID install on a 2011 Toyota Sienna, which contains a h11 bulb size. As you can see here, we have the HID bulb, HID ballast, also known as the converter box, and you will have your harness that plugs onto your factory plug. There is an input on the ballast which inputs into the ballast, and there's an output which goes on to the HID bulb. Simply, you want to figure out the polarity level on your factory plugs, the positive and negative, and once you have them situated, you want to plug this harness in, of course matching with the red with positive and negative being the ground. We're going to be starting with the h11 HID bulb, and we'll plug it into your factory housing. In this case, this is a factory projector housing. We're going to be taking the bulb and we will simply insert the bulb into housing, and it will lock into place. It will be a simple twist on clockwise, exactly like your factory OEM halogen bulbs. This would be your wiring harness, also known as ampere connectors. This is the output that's putting onto the bulb. These can be unplugged, simple unplug, and they can be plugged in, male and female, of course. Of course, you want to make sure when you plug this pin, which is the polarity, make sure that the positive is onto positive and negative being onto negative. This is a very common issue with the HID lighting, where customers will have them reversed depending on their factory plug, and if they are of course reversed, the HID will not work or turn on. You can simply, if you notice the HID is not working correctly, you can unplug this and plug it in the opposite way. That's only if you have them reversed on your factory plug, which will be here. So make sure that your factory plug has the positive onto positive and negative being on the negative. This connector here, of course, is a h11. Every different kit will have its own connector available, and some will not, unfortunately, not have a connector. Typically for the fog lights, will not have a connector. Simply, we're going to be pushing the plug back in. In this case, it is the correct plug, and it'll lock into place, and it'll be a secured connection. We're going to be running a test now, and with the ballast, depending on the ballast model that you have, you can either zip tie the ballast or use the double-sided sticky tape that comes along with the ballast. We recommend to secure it in a place that will not fall or will not have too much heat. If it has too much heat, the ballast can overheat, and you want to place it in a place where it can possibly get fresh air into it. So now we're going to be running a HID test, and that way we can see the light output. In this case, we have a 6000K Kelvin light, and which is a diamond white, one of the most popular colors. I hope everyone enjoyed the video, and if you have any comments, concerns, please let us know via eBay messages. Thank you.